How to modify my order on Skip the Dishes. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can modify your order on Skip the Dishes. Alright, so ensure you watch the video to the end. Now the first step is to ensure that you have the Skip the Dishes application installed on your device. And then once that is done, ensure you create an account and you're logged in into the app. So once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you can see so many dishes from different restaurants at affordable prices. And at the lower part of the screen, you can see some icons such as the home, search, orders, rewards. Then for the search, you can search out foods or whatever you want to get, then orders, then rewards. And then also at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Once you click on it, you can see other options that you can carry out on your account. So now for you to be able to modify your order, you'll be working with the orders tab by moving to the lower part of the screen and clicking on the orders option, which is found in between search and rewards. Now at this stage, I must let you know that for you to be able to modify your order or skip the dishes, you have to ensure that um no that you have to ensure that the order has not been placed by the restaurant you made an order from. That is, you have to ensure that the order has not been sent already. That is the only time you can modify your order. So once you click on the orders tab, you'll be brought to the orders page where you can see all of your orders. Then you select the order that you want to modify. Once you've selected it, you'll be redirected to the modifications page where you can change whatever you want to change. Is it the meal? Is it the drink? Whatever. And then once you're done, click on save and then the order would be modified. Alright. But like I said earlier, you can only do this if the restaurant has not sent a rider to bring your order for you already. Alright, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.